Let's see periodic motion. A motion which gets repeated after a regular interval of time is called a periodic motion. For example, the earth completes one revolution about the sun in nearly 365 days. And after the completing it, starts again its revolution and again complete it in after 365 days. So after every 365 days it is completing its one revolution. So this is a regular time interval. Okay. So a normal person's heart beats every 0.8 second. A interval is fixed. So this is your periodic motion. For example, this swing machine also, the motion of this needle of going down and up, it is also happening at a period. Okay, so like it is taking equal time in coming up and down. After a particular interval it is happening. So this is also a this is periodic motion. And the motions which do not occur which do not repeat themselves at a regular interval, they are your non-periodic motions. Then comes your mixed motion. Now when two or more motions happening at the same point of time, so they are called your mixed motion. For example, the wheel, it is rotating on its axis and also it is moving from here to here in a straight line. So this is translatory. So rotatory and translatory occurring at the same point of time. So this is your mixed motion. Then like this carpenter is applying this saw for cutting this piece of wood. It is going from up to down in a straight line. So this is your translatory, and while moving his saw, he is going to and fro. So this is his oscillatory motion at the same point of time. So two types of motions are taking place, oscillatory and translatory. So then next comes similarly a ball rolling down on a ground, ball rolling down while rolling down. So it is taking on a straight line, it is translatory, and on its axis is rotating. So that is your rotatory motion. So two motions are happening at the same time, rotatory as well as translatory. Then while the earth rotates about its axis, rotatory motion, and at the same time it is revolving around the sun on a curved path. So it is curvilinear motion or circular motion, and in a fixed interval of time, so periodic motion. So three motions are taking place at the same point and at the same time. Now speed. This we have studied in a previous video also, but let us revise it one more time. Speed is equal to distance travelled upon time taken, and the SI unit of speed is meter per second. Now comes uniform motion. If a body travels equal distances in equal intervals of time, the motion is said to be uniform. For example, this car starts at 9 AM and covers 30 km in 1 hour, then again covers 30 km in another hour, then again 30 km in next hour. So 30 km distance which it is covering, every time it is 30 km, and time it is taking 1 hour. So equal distance in equal interval of time. And then comes your non-uniform motion. When a body unequal distances in equal intervals of time, its motion is said to be non-uniform. For example, in 1 hour, first it covers 4 km, then next hour it covers 8 km, then next it covers 3 km. Every time the time is same and the distances are different. So this is your non-uniform motion. Then next comes the topic average speed. Average speed you have already studied in maths also, children. Total distance travelled upon total time taken. For example, here the total distance is 4 km, 8 km plus 3 km, and total time 1 hour, so 3 hours. So the formula says average speed is total distance travelled upon total time taken. The next topic is mass and weight.